Vegas judge granting probation again for a rapper who had already been given probation for shooting the man outside of a strip club.
Blueface is set to remain in jail, despite having his probation reinstated for the Las Vegas shooting case. The rapper is set to remain behind bars for a different violation case. According to 8 News Now, the same Clark County District Court judge who issued the bench warrant for the West Coast rapper arrest for violating his probation has now suspended the 2 to 5 year sentence he was facing. Blueface has been granted up to 3 years of probation, so he is avoiding jail time. However, this will depend on whether the rapper can comply with the terms of his probation. The amended judgment of conviction read, "This was a first technical violation with only temporary revocation available for a maximum of 30 days. Blueface is currently in jail, and the judge has elected to count the time he's already served towards the 30-day sentence. The rapper is set to appear in court on July 29th for a decision for a separate probation violation case. Blueface was issued to refrain from using alcohol or drugs and stay off the Vegas Strip unless he was there for work or other legitimate basis. He was also required to attend impulse control counseling and have no contact with the victim of the shooting, maintain full-time employment, comply with a curfew, report parole, and probation. If you get caught doing that, you get brought back here on any kind of probation violation, especially anything involving a weapon. I will not hesitate to put you in prison for a significant period of time," the judge said at the original sentencing. The violation was related to a video that circulated online after Blueface's performance in Salt Lake City last year. Here is how the whole fiasco unfolded.
Blueface has reportedly been jailed for more than 6 months after violating his probation from LA club attack that occurred in September 2022. The rapper is not scheduled to be released until this summer. Blueface has allegedly violated one more of his probation terms. However, it's not yet clear what Blueface has done and what terms of his probation he has violated. The controversial rapper was spotted heading to court by TMZ and said that he was going to handle some mandatory issues. He was later jailed, and his release is due on July 2nd, 2024. This was later confirmed by his mother, who posted on her Instagram story to say, "My baby is in jail," and quickly blamed his baby mamas Jaden Alexis and Krishan Rock. His mom continued to write, "Jaden got him one charge, and Rock got him the one that violated the other." Blueface could also be subject to a maximum of 3 years of probation over a shooting in Las Vegas. The West Coast rapper was initially charged with attempted murder, but a plea deal lowered the charges to battery and discharging a firearm. He was ordered to pay $13 million for lost revenue for the venue and a further $84,000 to cover employees' wages. He's not yet paid this penalty, raising the amount to over $14 million. This is not the first time Blueface has had a run-in with the law.
Things are not getting better for Blueface, as he has just been sentenced to probation following an attempted murder case. The controversial rapper had admitted to shooting at a man who made a joke about his car in Las Vegas. The victim has now been identified as Cantabious Trailer. It has been reported that the probation sentence could be for up to 3 years. The incident occurred on October 8, 2022, and the 26-year-old was sentenced after he entered a guilty plea to battery and discharging a firearm in July. Prosecutors agreed to dismiss charges of attempted murder and owning a gun by a prohibited person in a plea deal. Blueface, whose real name is Jonathan Jamal Porter, has also been prohibited from possessing any weapons or using alcohol or drugs, as well as being ordered to stay away from the Las Vegas Strip where the incident took place. The Thotiana rapper has also been ordered not to contact his victim. Trailer told investigators that he was leaving a strip club when he made a comment about Blueface speaking with some females in a cheap vehicle, and it was then when the rapper and his entourage allegedly began firing their weapons in his direction. Regardless, Trailer says he was completely disappointed with the sentence the rapper received, saying that he knows people who get more time for stealing bubblegum, and says that Blueface received a light sentence due to his money and fame. He goes on to say that the shooting has ruined his life and has impacted his ability to find employment. He also says that he has completely lost faith in the justice system. We'll keep you posted as the case progresses.